Hello everyone, welcome to our Easy Cooking, Easier Chinese program. Today, I want to share with you another delicious Chinese food. So before I give this food an introduction, and I want to show you those pictures first. So you can look at these four pictures. Anyone who can guess what's the main ingredients of this dish? So you can look at these four pictures. Yes, it's pork. So you can say this is the bright red color and some sauce here. So now I will introduce this dish for you. And here, so you can look at the left picture. This is the Dongpo Pork. In Mandarin is Dongpo 肉. One more time. Dongpo 肉. So actually, this Chinese character 肉 means the meat. Here refers to the pork. This Chinese character we have learned from Miss Shirley. And the left one, Dongpo. Actually, this is one person's name. So later I will give you some introduction. But before that, I want to talk more about this dish. This dish is one of the famous Zhejiang cuisine, and so many people like it. So after the complicated procedures of boiling, simmering, and braising, Dongpo pork is characterized with its bright red color, the tender meat, pearl and rich soup. The meat is smooth and soft, but the shape is not broken. So you can look at the left picture. People use some special ways, some special tools to keep it do not broken. The flavor is sticky without cloying the mouth. And the whole dish, if we made it, it may take 4 to 5 hours. So it takes so long time. Made this one is so delicious. And here I want to introduce this person, Su Dongpo. This is his name. So one more time, Su Dongpo. He lived in Song Dynasty, and there is a little cultural difference between UK and China. And in China, people always put the last name here and plus the first name. So in UK, we will see our first name and then last name. So this is a little different. So if I ask one question, what's his last name? The answer is yes. Correct. It's Su. Su is the last name and Dongpo is his first name. And this name is an informal one, and he has a formal name, Su Shi. Su Shi. So we can say the last name do not change. Do not change. Only change the first name. Su Shi. This is the formal one. And this person is a poet, a calligrapher, and an artist. It's very famous. So now we have a question here. What's the relationship between Su Dongpo and the Dongpo pork? So here I want to tell you a story behind this dish. At first, I have shown you this cuisine is one of the famous cuisine of Zhejiang province. So Zhejiang province is here. I marked here is Hangzhou city. So we can see Zhejiang province is located in the east of China. And about the person, Su Dongpo. So the story is, it's said that long time ago, the heavy rains in western Zhejiang, actually is Hangzhou city here, left a great number of crops flooded. Su Dongpo was the governor of that region at that time. So to go through this disaster, Su Dongpo led the people there to dredge the vast lake and built a lot of dams and bridges. After that, the local people gave Su Dongpo plenty of pork to show their gratitude for him. However, Su Dongpo knew that the people there suffered from the poverty. So considering people's love for him, he finally accepted their gifts and shared the cooked meat with the people there. So in memory of his officer who served the people heartedly, this dish was named Dongpo Pork. So do you know why people call this dish Dongpo Pork? There is a very interesting story behind this dish. So how to say this dish in Mandarin? One more time. 东坡肉. Good. 东坡肉. So here I want to explain one of the Chinese character of this dish name. 坡. 坡 here. The original meaning means the hill. 坡. So I prepared two Chinese vocabularies here. First, we look at this picture. And you can look at from the lower one to the higher one. This direction, it means uphill road. So in Mandarin is 上坡路. 上 means up, 坡 means a hill, 路 means the road. So uphill road means 上坡路. So now another direction from the higher one to the lower one. This direction is, yes, it's the downhill road. In Mandarin is 下坡路. 下 means down. 下坡路. So one more time. Uphill road, 上坡路. Downhill road, 下坡路. So let's look at the strokes of this Chinese character. 坡, the left part and the right part. Okay, so now if you have the Chinese notebook, please open it and we write this Chinese character together and count how many strokes here. Are you ready? Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Have you finished? This Chinese character has 8 strokes here. So one more question. How to say this Chinese character in Mandarin? Yes, good. It's 坡. So how to say the dish name? Yes, it's Dongpo Pork. In Mandarin is 东坡肉. 东坡肉. Very good. So today I have shared with you a famous Chinese dish and a story behind this dish. I hope you can enjoy this story, and if you have the chance, you can to have a try when you go to China or go to a Chinese restaurant. Okay, so see you next time. Bye bye.